You know, I've been busy making pages and borders, so I decided that I would cluster some of those together by theme, and I've put them in kits onto my website so you can order pages and borders that are handmade by me that you can put in your own album, add your photos and your stories, and get them documented. I'll explain it a little bit better. Let's take a look at my watermelon slice of summer. So let's take a look. With my Ready, Set, Snap kits, I want you to think of it as a way for you to quickly get your albums put together, get your photos down, and get those stories written. Because honestly, people want to look at themselves, they want to see the pictures, and they like to hear what you wrote about them. So you can take plain album pages like these here. These are just the white pages, and I do want you to know that you can I mix and match the top loading pockets. I mix and match those with the regular pages, and I like that because it gives me the option of having the top loading so that when you have pages that are decorated on both sides, you can take advantage of that. And I'm going to show you one of the kits, but what I want you to think about is that if you're busy, well, we're all busy, but if you're in a rush or something, you want to get an album completed, I have this option for you because I make pages and borders all the time. It is kind of like an obsession. I love it. But you can take these beautiful these plain empty pages, and then, ooh, bibbity bobbity boo alakazam, we can make these pages come to life by adding my pre-made pages. If you want to talk about some summer, some watermelon-y slice of summer, there you go. I already have it finished for you. And the reason I wanted to show you the top loading pockets is that now this is plain on this side and this has a pattern. So if you use a top loading pocket, you can drop them right in there. And so what I've decided to do is I've made several collections. For instance, this is my slice of summer watermelon theme. These are the pages that you would get. Let me just, excuse me, flip through. Okay, so these are the pages. Some of them are created as double page spreads. And then you also have the option of using the back if you're going to put it in a top loading pocket. This is another set that is a double page spread, and then you have the flip side as well that you can use. And on my website, I have photos of all of the pages and the backs of the pages. Here's another double page that I cut out of a diamond frame here, put what I cut out on this page. So this, you have the red cardstock on the back that you can also use for your pages. In addition to that, if you want to just add a border in this packet, in this kit, this slice of summer, I have my citrus slice I use to create watermelon. So you could put that across the double page. You could put it on the right side or on the left side or on one page, but it gives you more options so that you can quickly get pages completed. I've made all these little watermelons. I cut them out of circles and created those little watermelons. So this border is included. I have 2 of these borders included in this kit as well. And I also have a vertical border here and this delicious slice of watermelon, which you could put at the base, or you could angle it and still put your pictures. You could put it here at the base. You could put your story down here, or you could put more photos down here as well. But all of these pages and borders are included in this kit. The kits will vary, but I hope it's something that'll help you. I had a great time creating all these pages, but I can only use so many of them. So I'm going to share the love, and I hope you like them.